Let's learn how to create the alignment in the Civil Plus application. To do this, you can either convert an existing AutoCAD polyline into a Civil Plus alignment, or you can create the alignment from within Civil Plus application itself. Let's give a name to the alignment. And when you create the alignment in the Civil Plus 2009 application, we can decide or determine the design speed for the alignment, as well as the most important and crucial part is to use JKR standard or to use the Road Engineering Association of Malaysia or RIM standard for the model. Civil Plus has been tweaked or customized to support both standards. Let's adopt the Arahan Teknik JKR standard into the model. With 90 km/h design speed, you will be able to decide whether to use 6% Emax or 10% Emax for rural condition. You can also decide to use 2-lane or 4-lane design, as well as crown or planar roadway. Let's create the alignment with the 90 km/h design speed. The Alignment Layout Tools toolbar is a set of toolbars for you to set the curve and spiral condition. You can set the type of curve that you want to use and the value for the maximum curve, as well as the A value. Now let's create the alignment with curves automatically generated within the settings that we have specified. You can straight away click the IP point in the model, and Civil Plus will draw a virtual alignment for you. As you can see, there is a blue color curve, a green color spiral, as well as a red color tangent. This curve has been created automatically from the Arahan Teknik JKR that is limited to 90 km/h design speed. Once you have determined the location for the alignment and IP point, Civil Plus will automatically generate the labeling for the changes as well as the critical points for the tangent spiral, spiral curve, curve spiral, spiral tangent, and back to the endpoint of the change. Next, in Civil Plus, you will be able to do the labeling for the alignment control plan submission. Civil Plus has been tweaked and customized to follow the Arahan Teknik JKR calculation for the alignment control plan layout. Next, whenever you change the design parameters inside the alignment control plan calculation will be updated as well. Let's concentrate on the delta, which is now in 34 degrees. And if you decide to move the IP point to any other location, Civil Plus will automatically update the calculation. Watch the delta value being changed from 34 degrees 4 minutes and 0 seconds into 35 degrees 29 minutes and 17 seconds. Therefore, unlike AutoCAD application, you cannot do this calculation in the DWG format, But with Civil Plus application, retaining the same DWG format, you will be able to run and evaluate the alignment based on Arahan Teknik JKR as well as controlling the alignment layout. Any changes to the alignment will update the model instantly. All the changes labeling will be updated as well. Let's say you change the design to a value that is not supposed to follow the Arahan Teknik JKR design standard. Let's decide to change this value to less than the Arahan Teknik JKR standard. As you can see in the constraints column here, this value is set based on the 6% urban inside the Arahan Teknik JKR for 90 km per hour design speed. Let's change this to 250, which is less than the design standard. And when you enter the value, Civil 3D will give a warning message saying that it is failed due to the curve radius. And when you apply the value onto the model, Civil Plus will highlight a marker or a ellipse showing that your curve is failed. You can change your alignment by using the grips, or you can go back to the alignment geometry information and change the required value accordingly. And once you have updated the value, Civil Plus will update all the engineering parameters in the DWG format.